'cause I'm here.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's an exciting one because we just moved in.
That's good, it's fine. Let's just go inside.
Watch this, ready?
Wow.
Are you kidding? Oh man, this is the dream right here. After how long? 7, 8 months? It's honestly, it hasn't been that long. I mean, given for us building this, first time ever doing something like this, came out really good. We did it pretty fast, not gonna lie. Moved in a bunch of things, take everything with a grain of salt because there's still a lot of things that have to get out of here and more proper things to come in. Like, for an example, the fab section needs a bit of work.
That's what this section is, bro. Look at that.
Oh man.
Clutter. We took the clutter upstairs and we brought it here.
Yeah, well, we got some stuff moved in. We got the mill machine, the lathe, the
Press.
those are all bolted down, time machines, all connected in with the air hoses. Bandsaw. Right here, this area is gonna be, we got an Arc Droid CNC machine. This is the plasma force, so we got a new plasma.
Where's the Droid?
Shit. I don't know.
That thing
Back here.
is sick.
Oh, it's back here. It's
I don't know if you guys know what it is, but it's like a little mini CNC. You basically make whatever you want.
seat brackets, any kind of brackets, you name it.
Probably get like what? The fab table kind of be right in the middle of the legs
Fab
and
table,
stuff.
like a 4x8 table.
Got a lift? Dude.
Ben Pack.
This is a luxury.
Literally luxury. Thank you, Ben Pack, for sending out this awesome Ben Pack for this awesome machine.
Like, we put his car up and immediately found like a million things. It's a pain in the ass jacking the car up, having it on stands, working off your back, and I don't know, it's just so much easier, convenient to work on this thing now. It's literally like spoiled now.
Oh, we're big spoiled. It's like first time ever putting it on the lift. I was just like tinkering around. I'm underneath the. We were both underneath the car. We found at least a minimum of like 10 issues with it. The whole wheel control arms completely loose. The steering rack was almost completely off, or the steering column. There's so many other things, but it's honestly so crazy and like so sick to have. It actually makes working on a car enjoyable. Looking at it from down here, I did a hell of a good job on my back. That's all I'm saying. Hey, whoa, it's a little dirty, man. Got oil leaking on my shit. Fucking things pooping on my car, bro. That's fine. Whatever. This needs a lot of work, so. We'll update. We'll do updates on this and what needs to get done. This thing just works. It just works. It just works. It's good. So because of this thing just working and never having any issues, we had planned that we were gonna swap this one as well, and then we were gonna cage both the cars, gut them, just straight pro car, pretty much. Not the plan. Yeah. Change of plans. They're not the chassis that we really want to be in, and investing a lot of time and money into these things. And work. So one of the cars that will be replacing one of these things.
One of these are getting replaced.
It's right there. If anyone can comment what it is, I'll send you $5. If you guys can figure out what the car is, that's all you're getting. And what it's getting matched with, or repaired with, we'll send you $5. There's only one real motor that can go in any pro car. Yeah, SR, mother. He's good. Nah, SRs are good. It's an RB. Yeah, so.
Look at the poor wheels.
Poor wheels. I think that was a perfect idea. All right, so I won these off DJ No Way. Shout out. Off a raffle. I won them for $40. These are Working Motion D9Rs. Triple chrome.
Beautiful wheels.
Beautiful wheels. And they
Look
last
great on the car.
perfect. Man, I loved it. And it lasted
Couple events. Not even?
2 laps, like 3 laps.
First day? Oh no.
But it worked out because
Dude, look
you
how
know what?
bad this one got.
I don't have to mount shit. Jimmy says he's the king of breaking wheels on. I beg to differ. Touched Alex.
Maybe if you could stay on take the right line of the track.
Yeah, I should be taking the correct line on the track.
Kid's a newbie, can't even take the right line.
I don't know how to drive, I guess.
Yeah, just too many experts out there. Anyways.
Too many haters. Shout out Whiskey Woodcraft, also known as Troy, also known as.
Swivel mount, the man himself.
Love that guy.
Look at this nice piece he made for us. Beautiful.
That was the first decoration we threw up on the shop. I'd give that guy a kiss in the lips. Nah, he's a good guy, but honestly,
What else? We still gotta go upstairs.
still gotta go.
Well, let's head over there. Get the view.
The stairs aren't painted yet.
Come on, you had to point that out? I wasn't sure.
Forgot about that.
Here we got little man cave plus just where we edit. We, by me.
I do all the editing, so.
Got the cameras if you try to rob us.
Yeah, Robin.
Got the Sims over here.
Little arcade area.
Honestly, this is pretty sick. I like having them side by side.
It's definitely sick.
I like we drive with anyone else, but
We were originally gonna do leave monitors on the Sims and stuff, but
Yeah.
we don't really use it. We use straight VR, so the TVs are there for strictly just a open Assetto Corsa.
right.
We still have to do a couch over here. Nice big sectional.
Big U-shaped couch.
Maybe a little coffee table in the middle.
Coffee table, you know. We got the little kitchenette going over here. At some point in time.
Some point.
The budget's running low, but it's gonna be sick.
This is gonna be nice and convenient. A little
Little bathroom? The
Mini
bathroom
fridge.
came out- Bathroom came out alright. For what it is. Like you got plenty of room. I don't know how you guys ship, but
This paint, like we said in the last video, it's been quite a while since. You can see the imperfections in it. I don't know what that is.
it
Moisture.
sucks.
Literally a chalkboard.
hey.
That's crazy,
It
dog.
sucks. We should have done satin black.
Yeah, it was definitely the move for the ceiling, but not for
Is what it is. Whatever.
this blacked out. Definitely was the move.
We were gonna do black baseboard too, but
Nah, the
But-
white's so much better.
we bought these baseboards primered already in white, and we just threw them up, and we just stood back and like, you know what? This looks looks pretty good. It kind of separates it a little bit.
Yeah, it looks nice. I think once we get the couch up in here, this is definitely gonna be a vibe. The desk, yeah.
The made desk right here, all AZAC. It came out so good.
I mean, that's pretty much it. Oh, show them the lights. Show them the lights.
Oh yeah, and these are cool lights. Not cool. Not cool. Hold on. Don't even get me started. You can't have these lights
On a switch.
connected to a switch, because every time I did that, I connected all of them through Wi-Fi and stuff like that. Just because you have the app, you can literally. There's so many different like options and stuff like.
Hold on, let me explain. The thing is when you have them on the switch and you switch it off,
They immediately, individually try to connect to the internet, and it drains. It says to vibe.
Oh, what the fuck? You trying to watch like a scary movie or some horror movie, like full like. I mean, it looks better at nighttime, but.
So I said we should record
pretty
this
bright.
at nighttime.
So
This is sick.
only option, or the only problem is you can't have this on a switch. So you have to get rid of the switch, have them constant power, and only shut the lights on and off
From the phone.
from the phone.
Or they sell a sell a little remote control that you can have mounted to the wall. But they're not ideal. What brand are
I don't
these?
recommend
Remember?
them. I think they're Halo.
Oh yeah, I think you're right.
Halo lights.
Halo, don't buy it. And they're fucking expensive. Overall, dude, this
Yeah.
is crazy. This is
Look at the view.
a dream come true.
Also want to say a huge shout out to LC Visions for
Helping us
Helping
do
us out
the
with the
epoxy
epoxy.
flooring. They brought all their equipment, helped us out, give us a few tips.
super nice, so durable, it's super
Came out so good.
easy to clean up the shop, and
Oh, it's amazing. You spill anything, water, squeegee it all out. We got the drains over there. With all that being said, shop is, I would say 95%. We still
Basically
need to get.
a little more. You'll see us adding stuff in the background of the videos, but we do
Have a surprise car that has been tucked away. It is mine. I've had it for
7 years, 3 years. Where are you going?
4 years this way. 4 years now, almost. And I enjoyed the thing for a week,
And they parked it,
and then I parked it,
and it got flooded.
and it got flooded. ECU died. I tried to save it, but
Do we show them? Can you show them? Oh,
nah. We'll just save it. We'll just save it. So this thing is gonna be coming in. We're gonna be refreshing it. It is going to be up for sale, so you guys will be able to see the whole process and cleaning it up, seeing what goodies it has. It's an insanely clean car, but
Fully built motor.
fully built motor. That is going
Super
to
fast,
fund.
7,000 horsepower.
That is going to fund my next pro car.
Again, a pro car.
Uh-huh.
Oh my
I swear to God. All right. So until next time, hope
Stay
you guys
tuned.
enjoyed this. This was an insane project for us.
It's a dream come true, truly.
Big learning curve for all of us. This is the first time we've ever done anything like this.
No, it's really sick, but the cooler part about this is you guys are going to be seeing a lot more consistent content,
Oh, yeah.
a lot more crazier projects, and
Some good stuff coming.
Good
So
stuff
stay tuned. Until next time. Peace.